Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my FreebieCash review. We're going to be taking a close look at FreebieCash, and also, most importantly, I've actually put together some cool traffic bonuses for you to help you solve some of the issues people generally might run into trying to make money with FreebieCash. This goes live on the 25th of August by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So FreebieCash is a cloud-based software, and what this does is it gives you access to some high-quality lead magnets, and then it allows you to actually give this away and actually make money in the process. Meaning you don't have to be pushy, you don't have to put offers in people's faces to actually make money, which is cool. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be getting access to these high quality done for you squeeze pages, which you can customize, and then you can actually create offers with these squeeze pages. Definitely people will need to give you their email addresses before they get to what you have to give them on the other side. Now, the cool thing about this is on the other side, yes, they will need to access the giveaway that you have promised them, but then you have the opportunity to also add recommendations. Obviously, these recommendations can be your affiliate links. People will need to get what you promised them, but also they will see this other button there, which is your own recommendation, which is going to be your affiliate link. If they click on these, they make any purchase, you are going to be getting paid. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses, and then I'm going to take you to the dashboard to actually show you how this works. This is pretty simple. It gives you access to a dashboard here that gives you some statistics, your campaigns, how many leads you've got, total campaigns unpublished, and stuff like that. So if you go to, this is the dashboard right here. If you go to campaigns, for example, you are going to see the list of your campaigns, and then you can actually go ahead, click on create new campaigns, and it gives you access to done for you squeeze pages, and you can actually preview these campaigns just by clicking on the preview button next to that campaign, and actually loads it up for you to let you see how this actually works. And this is basically what your visitors would actually get. Now I'm going to take you to my bonus page to show you some cool bonuses that will really help you with this. Now, bonus number one, they're giving you access to some lead magnets here, but I'm not really sure how this is going to work, because if you are going to be giving people PLR products, I don't know how well that can really convert for you. But I'm giving you the opportunity. I'm actually giving you 40 plus high quality products that you can give away with FreebieCash. Now, these are high quality products. Some of them are still being sold even as I speak. This is not PLR. This is actually done even by 7-8 figure marketers. So you are going to be getting access to these high quality products, and you can actually give this away in order to build your list and actually make money with affiliate marketing. So you are going to be getting 40 plus of these products. Now, bonus number two, I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software, and this gives you the ability to create your own bonus pages. Now, you don't even really need to create any bonus page, but it comes with some done for you high quality products that you can use as bonuses. And what this does is it allows you to easily select any of these you want to use for as many campaigns as you want. You can create unlimited campaigns. Not only that, it gives you access to done for you delivery pages. So you are not just going to be creating bonus pages, but you are going to be creating delivery pages to make it easy for you to actually deliver these bonuses. In short, you're going to be able to create a bonus page just like this one, where people actually come here, click on this to actually purchase any product to your bonus page. They are going to be getting your bonuses, because you are going to be able to add your own delivery page also to the offer, which is pretty cool. Also, bonus number three is an outright traffic software. This is the pro version of Octagon that was actually launched in June, and this gives you access to done for you high quality product reviews from ClickBank and Warrior Plus. What I love so much about ClickBank is you really don't need to be approved in order to get your affiliate links. All you need to do is sign up, which is free to sign up, get your affiliate ID, come and log into your Octagon Pro dashboard, add your affiliate ID to your profile. Then what happens is all these done for you high quality product reviews become active with your affiliate links, and then this comes with free traffic and also free traffic training that basically allows you to start profiting instantly. Also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to a training that shows you 3 different high quality traffic sources where you can go and fetch some high quality traffic to your affiliate offers. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based software. This is 0 to 1000, and this gives you access to done for you affiliate marketing squeeze page templates. Now, you don't even need to do any work. These templates are there for you. All you need to do is pick up any template you want, slap in your affiliate link, and then you are good to go. This allows you to build your list, which you can actually export to any autoresponder of your choice. And then this allows you to easily build your campaigns within a minute. All you need to do is add your affiliate links, and then you can actually create unlimited campaigns using the cloud-based software. You're also going to be getting access to lead magnets that you can actually give away and make people really want to give you their email addresses because they literally want to see what you have to offer. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to another training from me where I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing from your WordPress website. If you have a WordPress website, you don't even need to pay any monthly fees to Aweber, to GetResponse, or any autoresponder because I'm going to show you how to do email marketing from your WordPress website. No monthly fees. All you need to do is set this up and you can actually build your list, and also you can import any list, and then you can actually start mailing your subscribers for free without paying any monthly fees from inside of your WordPress website. Also, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. Now, what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of FreebieCash. This is where you're going to be able to pick up FreebieCash, and also this is where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So it says, attention, if you thought you needed to sell to make money online, you need to see this. In 3 steps, this brand new software enables us to create $248 daily without selling anything, but giving away free stuff, and builds huge engaged subscriber lists on complete autopilot without paid traffic, without creating products, and also without any selling. Now, I've actually put together bonuses here that shows you the best places to go and fetch free traffic to get the best conversions with FreebieCash. You're actually giving stuff away, which actually makes it easy, and people actually respond a lot to this because most people really want to get free stuff, and this is basically the best way to pull them in and actually start getting some loyal people on your list. So feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about this. There's also proof of results right here on the sales page of FreebieCash. So back to the members area again. If you basically want to select any template to use, all you need to do is click on Builder. Let's give this a name. I'm just going to give it my name and click on Save and Builder. And then it actually goes ahead to load up the builder for you, and then you can basically go ahead and change this, customize this, how to make money online in 24 hours or less. Now this gives you access to basically customize this. You can basically go ahead, bold. You can easily customize this. You can come here, let's say change the color. Let's select black or red, and this is pretty easy to customize. You can change images, you can change the background image, you can basically change anything, and then you can actually also go to your thank you page. And on your thank you page, basically you can come and add a button link. You can just easily come here to drag and drop that kind of a thing, and then you can actually go to settings, and then you can actually go and add a URL, which is going to be the URL of what you are giving away. And you can easily even go ahead, add another button, which is now going to be your affiliate link. This also comes with training. Let me go back to this. Also comes with tutorial that actually show you how to use this, but this is pretty simple, and I believe anybody can actually use this. You also get your leads right here. You can actually add your leads to your own dashboard, and this also allows you to basically export your lead in form of CSV to basically any autoresponder of your choice, which is pretty cool. You also get access to the freebies, which you get access to a number of them, which you can actually go and use in your campaigns. So you don't even have to source for freebies yourself, but I'm actually giving you access to some higher quality freebies, which you get the opportunity to use in order to build your own list. So that's how easy it is to use FreebieCash, and that's how easy it is to create your campaigns and start profiting from this within the shortest possible period of time. Now, let me take you to the pricing. The front end, which gives you access to this dashboard and everything, gives you access to the dashboard and everything in it, goes for a one-time fee of $17. Zero product creation, no content creation required, zero maintenance cost, and this is 100% beginner friendly. This goes for a one-time fee of $17. Now there are some optional upgrades like the unlimited version, and this removes some limitations, FreebieCash sales engine, and this gives you the opportunity to supercharge your results for 100x. This goes for $67. OTO2 is done for you. This goes for $127, and this gives you access to some done for you campaigns in top niches. OTO3 is high ticket maximizer, and this gives you access to some high ticket products to start generating high ticket commissions. OTO number 4 is the traffic booster that goes for $67, and this gives you access to also some additional features. OTO number 5 is the franchise license that allows you to sell FreebieCash as your own and gives you 100% profits. OTO number 6 is the passive income masterclass that goes for $47. You'll be able to decline and pick it up for $27, and this gives you access to some extra training. OTO number 7, which is the last one, is the multiple streams of income masterclass. This is a masterclass that actually shows you how to pull multiple streams of income. This goes for $47. You can decline that and pick it up for $27. And that's going to be my review for FreebieCash. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.